In this video, we're going to replace the driver's side wiper blade of this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Okay, so on the driver's side of our vehicle, we have our windshield wiper. What we're going to do is grab our wiper arm and fold it straight up. Next, we're going to rotate our wiper. So now we have access in here. And for this wiper, there's going to be a little tab here. We're going to press in that tab. We're going to push our blade in and rotate it back down and slide it right out. Before we put our new wiper blade on, you want to be very careful that this doesn't swing down now and smash your windshield. Before we do this, we're going to clean this area here for our new blade to sit on. That way it's not picking up any residue or dirt or grime from the start. Now to install our new wiper blade, find our hinge here, and we're going to slide it into this hook. We're going to push up. I'm going to rotate the blade and just push up again here. Make sure it's locked into position. Now, we just set our wiper blade down. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.